Good morning, afternoon, or evening. It's that time of year again. FDA registration renewals. Whether you're manufacturing, holding, exporting, importing, or distributing FDA-regulated products, staying compliant is crucial. In 2024, there are two types of registration renewals you need to be aware of. Let's dive in. First up, the annual renewal of 2024. If you're operating any of the following establishments, you need to renew your registration before December 31st, 2024. Medical devices establishments, prescription drugs establishments, over-the-counter OTC drugs establishments, over-the-counter OTC cosmetics establishments. Make sure you're on top of this deadline to avoid any disruptions. Now, let's talk about the Biennial Renewal of 2024. In addition to the establishments we just mentioned, these facilities must also renew their registrations by December 31st, 2024. Food facilities, dietary supplements facilities, food canning establishments, FCE. This means there's no time to waste. For foreign establishments, there's an extra step. You need to designate and maintain a U.S. agent for FDA registration purposes. This is mandatory for any foreign establishment engaged in the manufacture, preparation, propagation, compounding, or processing of medical devices imported into the U.S. Additionally, foreign manufacturers, repackers, relabelers, and controlled laboratories involved in the manufacture, preparation, propagation, compounding, processing, or testing of human or veterinary drugs and human biological products must have a U.S. agent. This includes manufacturers of active pharmaceutical ingredients, APIs. Now here's a handy tip for you. The annual or biennial registration renewal is the perfect opportunity to switch your U.S. agent if needed. Keep in mind that the U.S. Food and Drug Administration will not complete a registration or provide a registration number until ITB Holdings LLC confirms it has agreed to serve as the U.S. agent for a foreign facility or establishment. ITB Holdings LLC is the U.S. agent of companies in Canada, Mexico, Brazil, Australia, New Zealand, India, Pakistan, South Korea, Japan, China, Russia, Portugal, Greece, Italy, Spain, France, Belgium, Netherlands, Switzerland, Sweden, United Kingdom, Ireland, among more than 100 countries. When seeking assistance from FDA consultants or U.S. agents such as ITB Holdings LLC, remember that service fees will apply. Staying compliant with FDA regulations is essential for your business operations. Don't wait until the last minute. Start your renewal process now and ensure a smooth transition. Any question? Contact us anytime, 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. Chat is available from all pages of our websites. We speak your foreign language for your convenience. Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more business tips and updates. Catch you in the next video.